We are excited to share with you what we've been working on for the last 3 months. Easily locate your indoor assets and tasks now that Cartegraph One displays floor plan lines. We've expanded our facilities domain with 17 new asset types, Uniformat II standards, and facility condition assessment imports. When it comes to indirect cost recovery, we know you have questions about your allocations. With the latest update to Space Manager, you can filter your allocations from a higher level instead of just by space to help you aggregate, analyze, share, and report on. Click the link to find out more about the Summer 2021 release. Registration is now open for CarteCon Online on September 14th through 16th. Soak in high-energy keynotes, 20-plus expert-led sessions, deep dive training on the tips and tactics your team needs most, and connect with over 800 colleagues facing the same challenges you are. To sign up your crew, head over to cartegraph.com/conference.